Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to connect Shopify to Temu. In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll guide you through each process in detail, ensuring you have a smooth experience setting up your store. Temu operates as an online marketplace under the management of a Chinese e-commerce corporation, providing consumers with significantly discounted goods. And if you're about to start a dropshipping business, this can be a good source of products, right? But unfortunately, Temu does not seem to be a recognized platform or service commonly associated with dropshipping. But the good news is, this is still possible. We just need to use some other tools and extensions to make it happen. And don't worry because they are all completely legal. You may just have to pay for some sort of subscriptions. So without further ado, let's now start talking about how we can make this possible. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Temu website. Once there, log into your Temu account using your information. I have already logged in here as you can see. So next, let's just open another tab in our browser and go to the Shopify website. And then make sure that you are logged into your Shopify account as well. Next, in your Shopify dashboard, locate and click on the Apps tab. Click on it, and then click on Shopify Store. Then search for Importify in the search bar. From the search results, you will find Importify Easy Dropshipping, so just click on it. And as you can see, if we scroll down here, we can use this to import products from AliExpress, Amazon, Alibaba, Etsy, Walmart, and you can also see Temu over here as well. So just click on Install to begin the installation process. Then just follow the prompts to install Importify to your Shopify store. Just click on Install here. Once installed, select a suitable plan for your Importify subscription. So as you can see, they have a 1-day free trial, so you can try it out for 1 day for free. But if you are really decided to do this kind of business, you can consider subscribing to them with this amount per month. So it's $14 plus for monthly. Just select the subscription. You can select the basic one or the premium one. It's up to you. Now, once you have selected a plan, open a new tab and navigate to the Chrome Web Store. So in the search bar, type Importify Product Importer. Then locate the Importify Product Importer extension from the search results and add it to your Chrome browser. Now, let us return to the Temu website and browse through the available products. The good thing about Temu is you can search for bestseller products and other product categories that will make your search easier. So let us just find a product here. Another thing is you have to try to find a product that is not seasonal. Because as we all know, selling products that aren't tied to specific seasons offers stability, consistency, and long-term sustainability for your business. And that's what it makes it more appealing, or a more appealing choice for many entrepreneurs. Let's try to find a product. So there are actually a lot of products you can choose from here. But then again, try to choose a non-seasonal one, especially if you are starting this kind of business. So once you've found a product you want to import, just click on it to view more details. Now you can quickly check the images here and other information. As you can see, it has 4.7 rating and also 65,000 plus sold. So this is, I think, a good product to sell. Now in your browser toolbar, click on the Importify extension icon. And then from the Importify extension, click on Import Now. So you have to click on Import Now to import the product to your Shopify store. So once you click Import Now, it will appear to your import list. So go to your import list within Importify. So this is where you're gonna see your imported product from Temu. Now the next thing that you need to do is to select that imported product from your import list and add it to your Shopify store. Finally, you just have to edit the product details such as name, description, images, prices, shipping info, and any other necessary information to customize it for your store. So I won't be able to show you guys how to do it because I am not subscribed to Importify. But basically, those things that I mentioned are the things that you should do next. And editing the information for the product is actually quite easy. You can use ChatGPT to make your work faster and easier. So for example, this is your imported product. So this title will appear in your store, but to make some changes, all you have to do is to copy the title. Then open ChatGPT. Then just type something like create a product or create a product title based on this. And then just paste the title that you copied earlier. And then just press enter. And there you have it. You already have a title for your product. So you just have to copy this and paste it as your product title in your store. With the product description, you just have to do almost the same thing. So once you have imported this product to your store, these details will appear in the specification part in your store. So you just have to copy these, then go back to ChatGPT, and then just type something like create a product description based on these details. Then just paste what you copied earlier here, and then press enter. And that's it, as simple as that. It didn't even take 5 minutes to do it. You now have a description for your product. So you just have to copy this and paste it to your product specification. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Shopify to Temu and imported your first product for dropshipping. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please consider clicking the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.